never miss a critical incident or a memory-making shot. With Rand McNally's GPS-enabled high-definition DashCam 500. What makes the Rand McNally DashCam 500 unique? Exceptional features. What can it do? Driving incidents are captured and saved automatically thanks to the Video Keeper feature and built-in G-force sensor. See something special? Hit the flashback button to save it. And don't worry if you missed something. The flashback feature saves several seconds or even minutes of video captured before you press the button. You can even capture still photographs while recording video. The DashCam 500 connects wirelessly to your smartphone and has a free app for iOS and Android devices. Use the app to view the live video that's happening on the DashCam. Pause, record, and delete videos on the DashCam remotely. Change the settings on your camera. Download, view, and sort videos and photos, or file away emergency incidents and memories. And with the app, you can quickly and easily share photos and videos on social media, in an email, or in a text. And because the DashCam 500 mount has GPS, you can replay your drive and view where you were on a map at the same time with Rand McNally map shots. DashCam 500. Capture, share, document.